how to fix Helldivers 2 error code 0x44415441. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the error code 0x44415441 that some players encounter while launching their games, especially titles like Helldivers. If you're stuck on this, don't worry, I've got you covered. Skip the basics if you've tried them. If you've already restarted your PC, verified game files, reinstalled the game, and the issue still persists, then the real problem might be something deeper: mods. Disable mods, especially visual tweaks. This error is often triggered by mods, particularly those that alter character models, armor, or even major visual components like better female or fluffy. Go to your mod loader or manually disable these mods from the game directory. Then try relaunching the game. If nothing else works, do a clean reinstall or move the game to a different drive. This can eliminate stubborn mod or file conflicts that a simple purge won't catch. That's it for today's fix. If this guide helped, drop a like and comment below with your experience. Still stuck? Leave your setup details down below and I'll try to help, or maybe someone in the community will. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!